Congratulations, Coach Yen. From the get-go, you expressed how important it is to upgrade how the team would go to Aaron after post. How would you evaluate how the team fared in that challenge?
We did a good job actually. Mahirap ipasok yung entry pass na yun kay Aaron. I think all teams are trying to deny us that entry pass, but we did a good job making that pass work. Natsyempohan din namin yung Ginebra na ang ganda ng shooting nila last game. I think they're a little tired because they just played on Friday, so maybe pagod pa sila. Ganda ng shooting nila last Friday. So, maasa ako na medyo mag-low of averages, medyo bumaba yung percentage nila. Bumaba naman, pero yung 4-point shooting ng import nila, masyado mataas. Naging problema namin yung 4-point shots ni Greece. Pero overall, masaya ako sa depensa namin, masaya ako sa rebounding. Masaya din ako sa assist. 99 assist pa lang.
Thank you, Coach Yen. Now we would like to open the floor to our friends from the press.
Coach, congratulations. After 0 to start, we won the last 2 games. Ano kayo saya dun sa turnaround nyo after that slow start sa Alvarez?
Yan sinasabi ko sa team na if we want to get back in contention or at least give ourselves a chance to win top 4 in our group, we must win this game. Get us back sa race and look forward to improving. Disappointing first 2 losses namin, but I think it's a wake-up call. After that, we've been playing better defense and better rebounding. Hindi ako worried about offense. I think we score 100 points, more than 100 points every game. So it's really just playing good defense, rebounding. When we get our rebounds, we're able to run. So, itong mga bata, nag-focus lang sila sa mga bagay na kailangan natin gawin. Kaya, siguro, nakabawi kami 2 weeks after 2 losses.
Okay, then, congratulations. Tonight, 21 points, shot 5 3-pointers. Your outside shooting is one of the reasons why you're able to keep Panamay in the road.
I think that's just a product of the system. If I don't shoot my threes, this guy will yell at me. So I'm more impressed with Adrian Nocum's statistics. I think he's developing into a fine point guard for us, which was the next step in his evolution. I think, Luis Villegas, he changes the whole look for us as a team. We have another spacer on the floor. So it's just a product of the system that I got the blitz tonight, and it was just my job to make some of them. So good win for us.
You all know your team's struggles at the start of the conference, you hear from Coach Yen, but from you guys, how are you able to discuss as players to turn things around?
I think obviously as the media knows, we had an interesting offseason. Mamu was such a big part of our team. Losing Mamu, it created kind of a different air in the gym. He was a loud and a vocal leader for us. So it took us a couple weeks to really adjust, and I think it takes effort from every single one of our guys. Not one person's going to make up for the energy and leadership he brought. So we're all kind of figuring it out now. Like I said, there's just a lot of guys stepping up. Mike Walls was playing great basketball. We had Dale playing great basketball. It's a team effort for sure. And obviously we're relying on Aaron, and Aaron's been very consistent for us.
Good evening, Coach. Coach, parang kasi nung last game ba against Phoenix, parang yun na nabanggit din ni Kailan, tumataas yung assist rate, assist numbers ni Adrian. Is it by design or is he taking it upon himself to become?
We actually, on purpose, trying to play him a lot more minutes at the moment. His decision making is getting better, more mature, and he's also partly nagpapakita
That's a wrap on our post-game press conference. Thank you and congratulations once again, Coach Keelan and Ray.